All right, guys, here we go. In this video, we're going to take a look at finding the slope of a line that is being represented in a table. I'm going to go ahead and do 4 problems here with you guys, just to kind of walk you through this. But basically, we have some information provided in a table. Now, a couple things. First, you may be more comfortable and more familiar with tables that are more stacked vertically. I mean, that's how normally your teacher has represented it. Most textbooks, that's how they represent it. But it is possible, and every now and then we do see tables that are horizontal. So as you can see here, we have our x values in this row and our y values in that row. So you'd have something like 12, -4, 13, 2, 14, 8, and 15. 14. And it may feel a little more comfortable for you to see it vertically. That's your choice. It doesn't matter to me. You should know that at some point in your life, you may see that both ways, and you need to feel comfortable seeing it both ways. It's just a table. It's a question of, is it vertically or horizontally? Not a big deal. The key here is that you're going to be finding the change in y over the change in x. You're going to find how much is y changing by as a ratio in comparison to how much is x changing by. It doesn't matter which 2 points you choose, but you need to choose 2 points. When I say points, I mean like an ordered pair. That's an ordered pair. It's 12, -4. If I wanted to graph that, I could graph it as 12, -4, somewhere over here, where this is 12 and this is -4. This is a ordered pair. This is a point. So what we're going to do here is just find our change in y. For me, I like to just use the first two. So I'm going to use this ordered pair, and I'm going to use that ordered pair. And I'm just not going to worry about the last 2 ordered pairs. From -4 to 2, if I was to talk about the change in y, it went from -4 up to 2. So like on a number line, you have -4, and you have 2. Get it? You do it. From -4 to 2. If you're going from -4 to 2, then that means that you're increasing, right? You're adding 6. To get from -4 to 2, you would have to add 6. So it's an increase of 6. So our change in y is 6. Our change in x from 12 to 13 is it's increasing by 1. You'd have to add 1. So we end up with a change in y of 6 and a change in x of 1, which is 6. So the answer to this problem here is 6. Now, there's a lot going on the screen as I look at it right now. The next time I will draw a lot less, okay? That last time I was showing a lot more than I needed to, probably. So all we're really looking for is change in y over change in x. So y, and I always just do the first 2 points, but you could choose any 2 points. It doesn't matter. For me, y went from 36 to 12, so it went down. It shrank. It's -14. Nope. -24. So y went down by 24. 36 minus 24 would be 12. 8 went to 11, right? So 8 increased by 3. It went up by 3. So we got -24 over 3. And 24 divided by 3 is 8. Negative divided by positive is a negative. So our answer here is -8. Let's go ahead and do 2 more problems here. Change in y. The y increased, nope, decreased. Decreased by 7. So it's a -7. 36 minus 7 is 29. It decreased by 7. Meanwhile, our x increased by 1. So it went +1. And that will be -7. And I'll do one more here as well. Clear that out for you. All right. Y from -7 to 14, that is an increase of 21. -7 to -4, that is a increase of 3. I don't know what my daughter's doing. She's got pants on at least. 21 divided by 3 is 7. And there you go. All right, so I think that's pretty straightforward for the most part. If you get stuck and need help with anything, I am available for help. Just let me know. All right.